Hi friends, welcome to today's video. So today's question is, Vishnu and Meenakshi invest 1,25,000 and 85,000 respectively in a business. 60% of the profit are divided equally between them and the remaining profit is to be treated as interest on capital. If Vishnu gets 300 more, find the total profit made in the business. So what is the given question? Vishnu is investing 1,25,000 and Meenakshi is investing 85,000. So they get some profits. 60% of the profit is divided equally between them. So if Vishnu is getting X means Meenakshi also will be getting X. 60% of the profit is divided equally and 40% of the profit will be based on their capital. So normally for all the other questions we have done, the entire profit will be divided in the ratios based on their capital. But here the question is different. Only 40% of the profit is divided as per the capital. Remaining 60% of the profit is divided equally among the two. So that is the main difference here. For all the other questions, the entire profit was divided based on the ratio of the capitals. But here 60% is divided equally and only 40% is divided based on the ratio of their capitals. So you have to find out what is the total profit and the difference between the profits obtained by Vishnu and Meenakshi is given. Vishnu is getting rupees 300 more. So how to proceed with these kind of questions? First we have to find out the ratio of the capitals. It will be given by 1,25,000 is to 85,000. So you will be getting 25 is to 17. So 25 is to 17 is the ratio in which 40% of the profits are divided. And because of this, the difference 300 rupees is coming. Okay. So how you can write the formula? Let the total profit is equal to X. So you can say like Vishnu is getting 300 more. So Vishnu's profit will be equal to 40% of, what is the ratio? 25 is to 17. So Vishnu will be getting 25 parts out of 25 plus 17. So this is what Vishnu will be getting. Okay, 25 by 25 plus 17 into X is Vishnu's profit and Meenakshi's profit will be 40% of 17 divided by 25 plus 17 of X plus 300. Vishnu is getting 300 more than Meenakshi. So Meenakshi's profit plus 300 will be giving you the Vishnu's profit. So from this, how you will be getting the formula? So 300 will be equal to 40 by 100 into, you are bringing this term also to the left side. 300 you are leaving on the right side and you are bringing this term 40 by 100 into 17 by 25 plus 17 into X to the left side. So you will be getting finally it as 25 minus 17 divided by 25 plus 17 into X. So this is what you will be getting. 300 is equal to 40 by 100 into 25 minus 17 divided by 25 plus 17 into X. So what is this 25 and 17? It is a ratio of the capitals. The capitals of Vishnu and Meenakshi are in the ratio of 25 and 17 and 40% is what they are dividing as per the ratio of the capitals. Remaining 60% they are dividing equally and remaining 40% only they are dividing as per the capital and 300 is the difference. So this is a common formula that you can use for these kind of questions. The difference amount 300 is equal to the percentage that is divided among the two based on the ratio of their capitals into 25 minus 17 by 25 plus 17, where 25 is the 25 and 17 represents a ratio of the capitals. The capitals are in the ratio of 25 is to 17. So that is what 25 and 17 represent and X is the total profit. That is what you have to find out. So here you can solve this and you will be getting X. So X is equal to 300 into 100 by 40 into 25 minus 17 is equal to 8 and 25 plus 17 is equal to 42. So finally you will be getting your answer as rupees 3,937.50. So deriving this formula is very important. You can use this formula directly for these kind of questions. Now second question, Unmesh and Leena invested 50,000 and 70,000 respectively in a business. 70% of the profits are divided equally between them and the remaining profit in the ratio of investments. If Leena gets 90 more than Unmesh, find the total profit made in the business. The same kind of question. So here I am going to use the direct formula. So here you have to first find the ratio of capitals. The ratio of capitals is what we use in the formula. So ratio of capitals is equal to 50,000 is to 70,000, which gives you 5 is to 7. So 5 is to 7 is the ratio of capitals. So what is your formula? Let X be the total profit. So finally you can write the formula as, what is the difference between Unmesh and Leena's profit? It is 90 rupees. That is also given. So our formula was 90 is equal to, what is the percentage of the profits that are divided in the ratio of investments? It is 30%. 70% is divided equally. So that means 30% of the profits are divided in the ratio of investments. So 90 is equal to 30 by 100 into 7 minus 5 divided by 7 plus 5. Our formula, 7 and 5 are the, 7 minus 5 you have to write because 7 is bigger than 5. So 7 minus 5 divided by 7 plus 5 into X. So this is your formula. So we have completed the formula. In the last question we saw how we derived the formula. So now we are using the formula directly. The difference between the profits of Unmesh and Leena is equal to 90. 30% of profits are divided in the ratio of the investments. That is how 30 by 100 came here. And 7 and 5 represent the ratio of the capital. 7 is to 5. X is representing the total profit. So how you will be getting the formula? 3 is equal to, I am just cancelling these two, 1 by 100 into 2 divided by 12 into X. So here 6 will come. So finally your answer will be X is equal to 3 into 100 into 6, which gives you X is equal to 1800 rupees. So this is the total profit made in the business. So it's very important question. So you can by heart this formula. Once you understand how this formula came, you are in a position to by heart the formula and you can apply in these kind of questions. Thank you for watching.